And thank you.
Bob died, so I didn't replace the battery.
You want me to break the window, right?
No. Do you have like the pump thingy?
Hey, you asked to break the window.
No, I didn't.
I only can. No?
No.
Oh, I'm kidding.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You already know about the pump?
Yeah, it's not my first rodeo.
There you go.
Thank you.
No problem. Can I guess your favorite color is green?
It is, yeah. Wait, can I get your number just in case?
Yeah, sure. The number where I'm texting from.
Oh, cool.
Yeah,
I'll save it.
just say my number.
Yeah.
Thank you. Bye. You too.